If you are trying to decide between Google Slides and Apple Keynote in 2026, this comparison will break it down quickly and clearly. We will cover usability, design quality, collaboration, compatibility, features, and who each tool is best for. So by the end, you will know exactly which one fits your workflow. Google Slides is a browser based presentation platform developed by Google. It's built primarily for accessibility and teamwork, meaning you can open, edit, and share presentations from almost any device instantly. Apple Keynote, created by Apple, is a native presentation app focused on performance, visual polish, and smooth animations. It's specially optimized for Mac, iPhone, and iPad users. Ease of use. Google Slides is extremely beginner friendly. The layout is clean, tools are very easy to find, and if you have ever used PowerPoint, you'll understand it instantly. It's designed for speed and simplicity rather than advanced customization. Keynote, on the other hand, feels more premium and polished. The interface is visually cleaner, but some tools are tucked into panels, which can take time to learn. Once you get used to it, though, workflow becomes very fast and smooth. Verdict: Beginners, Slides. Creatives or experienced presenters, Keynote. Design and templates. This is where Keynote stands out. Its built in themes look modern, professional, and presentation ready without needing edits. Animations are fluid, cinematic, and visually impressive, great for pitches, conferences, or portfolio presentations. Google Slides templates are simpler and more basic. However, you can import templates, install extensions, or customize themes if you want more design flexibility. Verdict: Keynote wins for visual quality out of the box. Collaboration. Google Slides is built for teamwork. Multiple people can edit the same presentation live, leave comments, assign edits, and view revision history. Everything saves automatically in real time, which makes it ideal for students, remote teams, and workplaces. Keynote supports collaboration as well, but it is not as seamless when working across different platforms. It works best when everyone is using Apple devices and iCloud. Verdict: Slides is the clear winner for collaboration. Compatibility and access. Slides works anywhere: Windows, Mac, Linux, tablets, or phones. As long as you have a browser, you can even start a presentation on one device and continue instantly on another. Keynote performs best inside the Apple ecosystem. While you can use it in a browser on Windows, you lose some performance and advanced features. Verdict: Slides is better for cross platform users. Offline performance. Keynote is a native app, so it works perfectly without internet. This makes it reliable for live presentations or travel situations. Slides does have offline mode, but it requires setup and still isn't as smooth as a fully installed app. Verdict: Keynote wins for offline reliability. Features and advanced tools. Keynote focuses on presentation, impact, advanced animations, smooth object transitions, live video integration, and precise design controls. It's ideal if presentation visuals matter a lot. Slides focuses on productivity features, vision history, add-ons, integrations, sharing permissions, and real-time editing. It's built more for workflow efficiency than visual effects. Verdict: Storytelling, Keynote; productivity and teamwork, Slides. Pricing. Both tools are completely free. Slides is free with a Google account, and Keynote is free on Apple devices. Final verdict: Choose Apple Keynote if you want stunning visuals, smoother animations, and you are already using Apple hardware. Choose Google Slides if you want speed, simplicity, and real time collaboration across devices. Bottom line: Slides is best for teams, Keynote is best for presentation quality. And that's all for today's comparison. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and see you in a new comparison.